Welcome to this lesson on how to run an existing report in XLGL. In this video, we will learn how to open an existing XLGL report and update it with data from your Sage 50 company. We will look at reports included with your XLGL installation and custom reports built for you. Before opening a report, please make sure you have connected to your Sage 50 company data. Instructions on how to connect are available in a previous video. From the XLGL ribbon tab in Excel, click on Reports and Forms. This will open the Reports panel on the left side of the window. This panel shows a list of report templates available from XLGL. Open a category to see the reports it contains. For example, Expand Financials, click on Project Income Statement, then click Load. The report is loaded and updated with your Sage 50 company data. Most reports included with XLGL will contain an instructions worksheet with some information on the report. Another sheet will contain the report itself. Click on the Income Statement by Project tab to see this report. The income statement shows actual, budget and variance for the entire company, amounts not assigned to any project, and then for each project in the company. By default, the report will show data for your current fiscal year, but you can change the period to anything you wish. For example, if we want to see result only for the month of March 2025, we can change the dates in D1 and D2 to March 1st, 2025 and March 31st, 2025. We recommend to enter dates as year, month, day to make sure they are well interpreted by Excel. When you change one or both dates, you will see the report update automatically. If you enter new transactions in Sage 50 and want the report to update, simply click Refresh on the XLGL menu. You can quickly modify this report to make it yours without knowing anything else about XLGL. For example, you can make formatting changes such as font size and color, just like you usually would in Excel. The report is dynamic and XLGL will pick up changes you make to keep them consistent across the report. For example, insert a row below the first heading and format the total in italic. When you click Refresh, XLGL will automatically insert a row below all of the headings and put all totals in italic in the revenue section of the report. Keep in mind to always modify the first instance of a row or column to have the change pick up by XLGL. In a future video, we will see how to make more extensive changes to existing reports. Once you are happy with your change, remember to save your file so you can keep your changes and load it again later. XLGL template reports available in the report panel will always keep their original look, but you can save as many copies as you need and keep the report dynamic and updatable. Whether you have a report file you modified yourself or a custom report that was built for you, you can always open it just like any other Excel file. Simply click File, then Open. Remember to connect to your Sage 50 company data before trying to update a report. This has been a lesson on how to run an existing report in XLGL. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.